people, welcome to my YouTube channel, and it's time to compare two mobile wallets in the Philippines, and it's GCash versus PayMAYA. We're gonna compare them in terms of fees, usability. We're gonna give you some features, and then we have some pros, some cons. We give you a clear conclusion at the end. So consider subscribing, of course, to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like this video at the end, and we go dive into my computer and let's compare those two mobile wallets. Let's go. Yes, people, we're gonna start with the features, and the features of GCash are money transfer, send and receive money instantly to other GCash users and bank accounts. Bill payments, pay over 400 billers including utilities, credit cards and loans. Online shopping, pay for goods and receive online through GCash. In-store purchases, use GCash QR codes at partner merchants for in-store purchases. G-Save and G-Invest, save and invest money directly through the app. G-Credit, access a credit line for purchases and bill payments. Insurance, buy insurance products directly from the app. Then we have PayMAYA and money transfer, send and receive money through other PayMAYA users and bank accounts. Bill payments, pay over $500 including utilities, credit cards and government services. Online shopping, use the PayMAYA virtual card for online purchases. In-store purchases, pay using QR codes and the PayMAYA physical card at partner merchants. PayMAYA Protect, access insurance products through the app. Loyalty program, earn rewards and cashback for transactions made with PayMAYA. It's good to talk about fees, and first we talk about the fees when you're using GCash. Well, cash in, fee for linked bank accounts and selected partners. Fees applies for the over-the-counter methods. Cash out, fee apply for withdrawals through over-the-counter partner and ATMs. Money transfer, free for GCash to GCash, fees may apply for GCash to bank transfers. Bill payments, mostly free, but some billers may charge a convenience fee. Well, the fees for PayMAYA: cash in, fee for linked bank accounts and selected partners. Fees apply for over-the-counter methods. Cash out, fees apply for withdrawals through ATMs and over-the-counter partners. Money transfers, fee for PayMAYA to PayMAYA. Fees may apply for PayMAYA to bank transfers. It's almost the same as GCash. Bill payments, mostly free, but some billers may charge a convenience fee. Well, the usability. GCash offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate through its various features. The app is regularly updated to enhance user experience and add new functionalities. GCash also offers a comprehensive customer support through its help center, chat support and social media channels. PayMAYA also provides a user-friendly interface with easy access to its features. The app is designed for quick transactions and offers seamless integrations with its virtual and physical cards. PayMAYA provides customer support through its help center, chat support and social media channels. Something about security, because that's important when you work with money. GCash employs multiple security measures, including two-factor authentications to evade fingerprint recognition and SMS notification for transactions. The app is regulated by the Banco Central NG Filipinas (BSP) and adheres to strict security standards. So important to know. PayMAYA also implants strong security measures such as two-factor authentication, fingerprint recognition, and SMS notification for transactions. It is regulated by the BSP and complies with stringent security protocols to protect user information and transactions. Alright, some pros and some cons. Gcash. The pros of Gcash are a wide range of financial services, including savings for investments, extensive network of partner merchants for in-store purchases, and easy to use and regularly updated app. Gcredit provides access to a credit line. There are some cons. Fee for some cash in and cash out methods. Customer support can be slow at times. Well, PayMAYA pros and cons. The pros are a virtual and physical cards for online and in-store purchases, comprehensive bill payment options, loyalty program with rewards and cashbacks, user-friendly interface, and quick transactions. Well, some cons. Fees for some cash in and cash out methods and limited financial service compared to Gcash. No saving or no investment options. Okay, the summary. Gcash and PayMAYA offers a range of services that make them valuable digital wallets for different needs. Choose Gcash if you want access to savings and investment options and if you prefer a wider range of financial services. You need a credit line for purchases and bill payments. You frequently make in-store purchases using the QR codes. Well, choose PayMAYA if you want a virtual and physical card for online and in-store purchases. If you prefer earning reward and cashback through a loyalty program, you need comprehensive bill payment options, and you value quick and easy transactions. The ultimate choice between Gcash and PayMAYA will depend on your specific financial needs and preferences. Both platforms offer robust features and services that can enhance your digital financial experience. Thank you for watching our video between Gcash and PayMAYA, and we hope we helped you decide which mobile wallet is the best for your needs. If you found today's video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any related content we create in the future. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thumbs up. Bye bye.